Hello student, good morning to all. So today we are going to take part 4, chapter number 10, following the Mahatma, part 2. चैप्टर 10 में हमारे थ्री पार्ट्स बन चुके हैं. 3 पार्ट्स में क्या था, सम एक्सप्लेनेशंस पार्ट है और कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हो गए थे. करेक्ट. सो इन पार्ट 4 में हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी बिग क्वेश्चंस है उनके आंसर लिखेंगे. ओके. सो व्हाई डिड गांधी जी लॉन्च द दांडी मार्च. इसमें आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके. आंसर है व्हाई डिड गांधी जी लॉन्च द दांडी मार्च. गांधी जी ने दांडी मार्च क्यों स्टार्ट किया. सो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में भी इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा 78 पेज नंबर पे. दैट इज जो सेकेंड लाइन है ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, वहां से लेके द ईयर जो लिखा है 12 मार्च 1930 यहाँ तक आंसर है. ओके. इसका आंसर मैं आपको लिख देती हूँ ब्लैक बोर्ड पे, आपको कॉपी करना है. सो राइट डाउन द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट had made salt a taxable commodity. Okay, so this is the answer of why did Gandhiji launch the Dandi March. So the British government had made salt a taxable commodity. Moreover, they monopolized the productions and trade salt. Mahatma Gandhi and the other nationalists felt that it was unjust to put a tax on salt, as it is the most essential components of our daily diet. So Gandhiji announced that he would carry out a march to break the salt law on 12th March 1930. And Gandhiji, along with 78 companions, had started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashrams in Ahmedabad. This historical march became famous as the Dandi March. Okay, this is the answer of first questions. Now we are going to take the second one. You should write down these answers in your notebook, question answer in notebook, and learn it. Next we are going to see why did the second round table conference fail? Okay, now we are going to see the second one. the question is, why did the second round table conference fail? So answer is So in chapter number 10, following the Mahatma part 2, the second answer is, why did the second round table conference fail? So Gandhiji attended the second round tables conference held in London in 1931 as the sole representative of the Indian National Congress. A demand for separate electorate for Dalit and other communities was made at this conference. Since the communal problems could not be solved, this conference also proved unsuccessful and Gandhiji returned to India with a heavy heart. Okay, this is the questions. This is the answers of the questions. That is, why did the second round table conference fail? Now we are going to take the third one. That is called, what were the proposals of cabinet missions? Okay, what were the proposals of the cabinet mission? The second one, what, this is the third one, right? The third question say, what were the proposals of cabinet missions? So you just have to add one line here, after one line add करना है. That is, the various proposals of the cabinet missions were, और उसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट डालना है. ओके, ये फर्स्ट लाइन में लिख के नहीं दूंगी, आपको लिखना है द वेरियस प्रपोजल्स ऑफ द कैबिनेट मिशंस. द वेरियस प्रपोजल्स ऑफ द कैबिनेट मिशंस वेयर. सो इसका आंसर में आएगा फर्स्ट, टू एस्टैब्लिश टोटल सेल्फ रूल, to establish total self-rule in the country. हार्ड इधर लिख देती हूँ. I am going to write this. total self rule in the country. Second, to divide the whole country into 3 provinces. Allow India to, इसमें थर्ड पॉइंट आएगा, allow India to design its own constitution for formations of an interim or provisional government till the constitution was formed. Frame. Okay, this is the question number 3. That is, this is the question number 3. That is, what were the proposals of cabinet missions? Cabinet missions के proposals क्या थे? So the first one is to establish total self rule in the country. Okay. Second one, to divide the whole country into 3 provinces. Third one, allow India to design its own constitution. Fourth है formations of an interim or provisional government till the constitution was framed. Okay, this is the third question. Now we will going to see the next one. Now we are going to see the big questions and answer, that is the short notes on the following. Quit India movement. Okay, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट को आपको आंसर आपको टेक्स्ट बुक से भी मिल जाएगा एंड डाइजेस्ट से भी. ओके, सो यू शुड हैव टू राइट दिस आंसर इन योर नोटबुक एंड लर्न. Write short notes. So first one is Quit India movement. इसका आंसर आपको 82 में मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिक्टेट दिस फर्स्ट टू शो यू वेयर इट इज. ओके, जो क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट है पेज नंबर 81 पे इतना हाफ है, ये पूरा आएगा. एंड देन आफ्टर ये आपके जो लाइंस है 82 पेज नंबर पे भी यहाँ तक आएंगे. सो मैं टेक्स्ट बुक का नहीं, डायरेक्ट का आपको डिक्टेट करके बताऊंगी. आपको लिखना है, आप टेक्स्ट बुक का भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो राइट डाउन क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. In 1942, गांधी जी आस्क मतलब पूछना, ASKED, गांधी जी आस्क the British to leave India immediately, फुल स्टॉप देना है. इमीडिएटली का स्पेलिंग है IMMEDIATELY, इमीडिएटली. फुल स्टॉप देके राइट डाउन करना है. गांधी जी asked the people of India, इसका आंसर दे रही हूँ मैं, of India to follow the principle of do or die. And to continue का स्पेलिंग है CONTINUE, continue the struggle, STRUGGLE, the struggle against the British in a non-violent manner. Non-violent, non-violent का स्पेलिंग है VIOLENT, violent manner. फुल स्टॉप देके आगे का लिखना है. The historical resolutions का स्पेलिंग है RESOLUTION, resolutions of Quit India was passed on 8 August 1942. During the Mumbai sessions, during the Mumbai sessions का स्पेलिंग है SESSION, sessions of the Indian National Congress. गांधी जी, फुल स्टॉप देके लिखना है. नेक्स्ट लाइन, गांधी जी and other leaders were arrested, arrested on 9th August, full stop. These gave new impetus, new impetus to this movement. to this movement. Thus, 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 the Quit India movement spread, SPREAD, spread all over the country, all over the country. Full stop. To curb this movement, the government adopted suppressive, SUPPRESSIVE, suppressive measure, MEASURES, measure like mass arrest, arrest, arrest. However, they were unsuccessful in stopping the Indians. Full stop देना है. So the British government realize that now their hold over the people of India would not be for long, full stop देना है. लास्ट लाइन है. These revolutions, REVOLUTION, revolutions is of great, GREAT, great importance, IMPORTANCE, importance in India's struggle, STRUGGLE, struggles for freedom, FREEDOM, freedoms. Okay, so we have done on Quit India movement. मैं पूरा रिपीट करके बताती हूँ आपको. You have to just check your spelling and sentences. Okay, Quit India movement. In 1942, Gandhiji asked the British to leave India immediately. Gandhiji asked the people of India to follow the principles of do or die and to continue the struggle against British in a non-violent manner. The historical resolutions of Quit India was passed on 8 August 1942. During the Mumbai sessions of Indian National Congress, Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested on 9th August. These gave new impetus to the movement. Thus, the Quit India movement spread all over the country. To curb this movement, the government adopted suppressive measures like mass arrest. However, they were unsuccessful in stopping the Indian. So the British government realized that now their hold over the people of India would not be for long. These revolutions is of great importance in India's struggle for freedom. Okay? So we have done our Quit India movement. So next लेंगे अभी So this is called Quit India movement. ये हो गया Quit India movement का short notes. So you just write down. You can get this answer on page number 81 और 82. टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर 81 और 82 में सेम आंसर है, वो भी आप कॉपी कर सकते हो. आपको डिक्टेशन का नहीं समझ में आया तो ओके.